guys, I'm Nadik, and today I'm going to read a book. It calls I Like Bugs. I like bugs. Some bugs are big. Some bugs are small. That is so small. Some bugs fly. Some bugs crawl. A lot of bugs crawl. Some bugs have 6 legs. Some bugs have lots of legs. Some bugs bite us, like a tick. Some bugs help us. I like bugs. Bye guys, thanks for watching and listening. I hope you like my book. Bye!